Hey, it's the Deaf Man, here to talk with you about turntables. In particular, I want to show you how to hook up an old school turntable receiver combo. This is what I was rocking to back in high school. This is the classic setup where you plug your turntable into a stereo receiver. And technically, a receiver is an integrated amplifier. It has a preamp and an amp all in one. So if you've inherited a vintage stereo receiver like this classic Pioneer Silverface unit from back in the mid-70s, you've got everything you need to rock and roll. These things were purpose-built for phono signals. Remember, that was the dominant media back then, was vinyl. So you can plug a vintage turntable in like this JVC unit, and it does not have a preamp in it, but you don't need to worry about that because the receiver has the preamp built in. So you just plug in the RCA cables from the back of the turntable, plug them into the phono inputs in the receiver, hook up a set of speakers, and you're ready to rock. Hey, and a lot of people that aren't familiar with a stereo receiver, they'll ask me, they think the sound actually comes out of the receiver. The sound comes out of the speakers. The receiver really is just the amplification. It's the guts of the system. You can also plug a modern turntable into a vintage receiver. You just have to remember to turn the line out switch off. You switch it from line to phono because the receiver already has the preamp built in. And if you hook up a modern turntable and have the line out going, you're going to get this horrendously loud, distorted sound. So that's how you hook up a vintage receiver. If you have any questions, drop us a comment and be sure to subscribe for more great content on turntables, vinyl, and how to enjoy your records. Until next time, this is the Deaf Man. Keep them spinning.